Hi there. My name is Heidi Albertson, if I haven't met you before. So I know a lot of you have been asking about cryptocurrency and what I've been learning. So I figured it was a lot easier to make this video that I could send out to people so that I can share with you what I'm learning and how I'm learning it and who I'm learning it from. Because whether or not you're looking about cryptocurrency, the Forex markets, different things like that, or just different things about investing. So I know when I've been hearing a lot about crypto and all these things and all these different social media platforms, it's hard to know who to trust. It's hard to know what to do. And a lot of them are, they're trading companies that will trade the money for you, but that doesn't really intrigue me. I really wanted to get the education around what's going on, what I'm doing, and what it all means. And so, but it's how do you know who to trust? There's people who claim they're all kinds of experts who have been investing for just a year or two or a couple of years. And so when I was approached about this company, the company's called Tradenology, that the people who are teaching and training in this company have been doing it for 10 plus years. Actually, one of the trainer for cryptocurrency, he was the first person to create a Bitcoin summit. And he also was able to interview the creators of Bitcoin. So that's pretty impressive and pretty phenomenal. And he's been successfully investing in crypto and things like that for, like I said, 10 plus years. So I wanted to share with you about this company and about why I chose to get education from this company. So I'm going to share with you, when you click on the link down below, it's going to take you to this page that I'm going to share with you now. So it's going to take you here, and it's going to tell you a little bit about the company. So they are in over 50 countries and they're expanding all the time. These are the founders of the company. Here is Domingo. And I have met Domingo personally, and also Jorge. They're phenomenal individuals, it's like having conversations with them is just kind of makes my brain hurt sometimes, but they're really cool. They're also really fun. I got to run Spartan races with them, so that's kind of cool. Dr. Manoa, I met him down at one of the summits called Cryptomania. And he's a phenomenal brain. Oh my goodness. And also I had the privilege of meeting Gregory, Sunny, and Janice also. And these are just phenomenal people. And when you get to meet them, you will definitely agree. So anyhow, we'll just keep going on. They do have a vision to empower over 1 million individuals worldwide in the trade and industry. So they want to successfully help you learn how to trade and educate you around this crypto world. If you notice, in the financial world, crypto is becoming more and more accepted everywhere. The banks are accepting it. It's even on your apps and Cash App and things like that. And I know PayPal is also accepting it, I believe. But the benefits of being part of this educational platform, you have a video library where you can learn and do the lessons at your own speed, at your own time, at your own convenience, and be able to rewind and pause, implement those kinds of things. They also have live training sessions that you can jump on and also be able to ask questions and things like that. They also I think it's during the Sunday through Friday, they send out trade ideas. So you'll get trade ideas through the app, where they tell you, it's like the master traders are looking at the markets and they're looking at the charts, and they're sending out, hey, this is a good trade. And they'll tell you, how to put it in and the implement and doing that. And so you can also trade along with the master traders. So, and Dr. Manoa came up with this program called the 1 hour workday, where it has we have indicators that you can download that to put on your charts, so that it helps to guide you on when it's looking like when a good trade is come in, or a good sell is like a buy or sell. And so because we know a lot of us are still working jobs, a lot of us also have other businesses. And so you're not going to spend all day looking at charts, or at least most of us aren't. Some people do. Some people really enjoy that, and that's awesome. But you don't have to, with tools like this in place that are only available through Tradenology. And so these are just some testimonials, is what they've had, their commitment to giving back to the world, and just some testimonials. So what is this investment? What does it cost to get a part of this education? Well, it's not going to break the bank. You know, it's like the primary membership is $99. You get those Tradenology university courses. You get the trade ideas. You get access to members only events and trainings. And there's daily and weekly live trainings that are also available to you. I came in as a VIP member because I wanted all of that plus more, because, you know, as a VIP, they're going to go above and beyond all the things that they do. And please, they do all the time. I cannot tell you how much valuable information is inside this community. But there are special VIP only trainings. The advanced trade-in tools like that 1 hour workday is only available in the VIPs. So, but this is all about Forex. Y'all came here about crypto, right? Because all those things I've been learning about crypto are so super cool. So they came up, they have an app. You can access the app via desktop or via your phone. And in that app, there is a channel called Cryptocurrency. And Domingo comes on here every Wednesday and has been giving us lessons. Last week, we were exploring the metaverse. The week before, we were learning all about NFTs. But he also shares different articles that he finds about different things that are going on in the crypto world. He also explained how to set up your wallet and how to keep your wallet secure and things like that. So he comes on here every Wednesday, and these are available to all level memberships, the primary and the VIP, but he's going to be expanding this to more VIP trainings and more. It's where he's actually going to be walking us through different things and be more in-depth trainings for the VIPs. So that is a little bit about what you'll see within the university. So I hope that that helps you, maybe intrigues you. Take a month and look around, see what it is, see if it's for you, see if this is something that you would get value out of. It is invested in education. There is also the opportunity for those who like to build another business. You can share it and you can build a business through it also. There is that opportunity, but really, this is an educational platform. And what I want to share with you is learning and growing together, because I love learning, but I love learning with other people even more. You know, I homeschooled my kids for 18 years, and that helped me to actually fall in love with learning. And I value the education, but I also value relationships and building with other people and learning this with other people, because we learn more when we learn together, because each person has a different perspective. Each person has a different trading style. Each person maybe picks up on something that somebody else didn't. And we're able to explain that and share that with each other. We also travel together. We go to these conferences together. It's super fun. And I would love for you to be a part of it if that is something that would interest you. To be a part of this, you really need to want to learn. You have to take that time to invest in your education, take that time to invest in your skill sets. So if that is of interest to you, join. You can click on the button down below. You can join Tradenology. Let me know in Facebook Messenger if you have joined. If you want more information, if you want to chat about this a little bit more with somebody, let me know. Just let me know in Messenger. Hey, I have some questions. I want to see, and and we can explore that together. And I can also bring on somebody else who is more and to help explain things even more. So click on the link below. I would love to see you in there. I would love to learn with you. I'd love to engage with you and love to play with you. So have fun. And this is an exciting new world that we're all entering, and come be a part of it.